This is the new design of our 400 rubber injection molding machine, which designed for China Fast Train Company (CRRC). This machine with a very short, smart design, 400 ton. The demanding device with the upper lift, bottom lift, sliding side ejector, and with light barrier protection here. But you see here, the clamping cylinder was movable, and here with some rails which used for taking out the runner plate, so that people can take out the runner plate here. No need to put in the arms inside. And with a very big HMI. This is the manual books with all the functions. And with servo motor system, cold runner temperature controller unit. This is the electric cabinet, servo driver, and AC for electrical cabinet, vacuum pump for vacuum.